Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today. We're going to be working on this 2004 Dodge Ram. Greg, what are we doing?
We're going to be changing out our DWB 3110-02. This will be the door seals for an 02 to 08 Dodge full-size truck. It will fit the regular cab. It will also fit the front doors of the crew cab. Here's the tools you'll need.
Alright, the first thing we're going to do is note where the seam on the Weatherstrip is. So we just put a piece of tape there. It'll help us remember. Next, we're going to have to remove the plastic trim all along the rocker panel. And we're going to use a clip removal tool to do that. This is held down with metal clips. And we're going to come from the front side here and slowly and carefully work this off. If you're too aggressive, you may end up cracking this piece. Work along, find the clips.
What might help also would be another tool to be on both sides of the clip so you don't stress the plastic and cause a crack.
Now we're going to take the front section off. Now the front section here on the long piece, the clips actually go straight this way, so you're going to have to pull it back. But it's the same idea here. We'll come in here. And you can see these are the clips that you need to pull out. And now we're going to take the back piece off. All right, we're going to two more pieces of trim to remove here. We're going to start here, kind of pop it off. Just run the clip tool along. Now that's not going to come all the way off because of the seat belt. And the same thing with this one. This piece wraps all the way into the cab. So we're just going to pop it off to get the Weatherstrip off. But when you get down to here, there are some clips. There should be one clip right here. Kind of pull it out of the way as best you can. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the Weatherstrip by just pulling it up off the pinch weld. When you get here, you can just pull it up. We'll get this all cleaned up and we'll install a new one. We're going to go ahead and use some of our PRP 0075, which is our Weatherstrip lubricant. What we're going to do is we're going to apply some to the pinch weld and then we'll apply some to the Weatherstrip. But first what we're going to do is just use a Weatherstrip installation tool to kind of pry the plastic open, keep it off the pinch weld. I'm going to apply it into the channel here. And Greg's going to go ahead and start it, and I'm going to pull back on the plastic even more. So I'm going to just pull it around the corner, all the way to our tape mark. One thing you need to make sure you do is get it seated all the way into the corner. So what that means, you need to come back and push it in and work it back into the corner. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then we're going to continue around the perimeter of the door. Alright, we worked our way around the whole opening. We're back to the seam. Now our parts are designed to be too long. You need to cut to fit. So what you want to do is leave about an inch and cut the rest off. And before you cut, make sure it's pushed into the corners all the way around and seated it properly. So we're going to take our cutters, and there's a trick to this here, is that you can spread this part open a little bit. And find your mark, cut one way. I'm going to cut this way. And one last cut along the top. Alright, cut the end, so I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the channel back together. What you want to do is put the end together like this, and then work your way back and work through the excess material. Make sure it's seated all the way in. Alright, we have the door seal completely on. Last thing you need to do is reinstall all the plastic trim, basically in the reverse order that you took it out. Then, just close your door and make sure it seals correctly. And you're done.